How to change your home club on the Planet Fitness app. The first things first is you'll need to log in into your account on the Planet Fitness website, not on the application. And once you successfully logged in, you can now then find the option to transfer your membership, but ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements, such as being a member for at least 90 days and having no outstanding dues. Now, you also need to make sure that the specific club or home club that you will be transferring over with is available on any of this um, location from here. So, say for example, you'll be transferring out into Alabama, so they have around 40 sites that is located in Alabama. Make sure that the site that you're in is available. Now, log in into your account once again and then find the transfer option and then just simply follow the on-screen prompts and then the system will guide you through the process and you may need to select a new home club. And that's it. That's how you change club on Planet Fitness app.